What's hot in the Kitsilano single family market for March 2018? The Vancouver Westside single family market is favoring buyers. That's right, we're in a buyer's market in the Westside right now, and Kitsilano is no exception. In fact, only 4 homes sold in all of Kitsilano last month. That's right, 4 homes sold, definitely a buyer's market. The least expensive home sold for $2.3 million. And that would have bought you a really old house on a really small lot right at Dunbar and 6th Avenue, a quiet part of Dunbar Street, but still, small lot, small old house on Dunbar and 6th. The most expensive home sold for $3.7 million. Again, this would have bought you an old home, but this one was really well located. This $3.7 million home was located north of 4th Avenue. Whenever we get north of 4th Avenue in Kitsilano, the homes become more expensive. This is a very desirable part of Kitsilano because it's closer to the water. This one sold for $3.7 million, more of a typical 33 by 120 lot. Again, 100-year-old home, well located though. 39 homes were available and on the market in Kitsilano last month, so to have 4 of them sell, again, very weak. Only about 10% of the homes sold in Kitsilano last month. And again, the real estate board defines a buyer's market as anything under 14% for a given amount of homes that sell in a month. So at 10%, very weak in Kitsilano. Sold values in Kitsilano are about $500,000 under what we're seeing on average when you look at the rest of the Westside single family detached market. So we're at about $2.9 million for your typical Kitsilano home as of February 2018, whereas the rest of the Westside, the average price or median price is more like $3.5 million. So we're about $500,000 under. If you'd like to take a look at the 4 homes that sold last month, I've got them all laid out on an area map with the sold price versus the list price. I've got up to 10 photographs for each of these properties that sold. And again, feel free to download that package of information by clicking on the link above or below, depending on whether you're watching this on Facebook or YouTube. My name is David Setton with Answers in Real Estate and Oakland Realty, and I specialize in selling and marketing homes in the Vancouver Westside. And if you'd like to contact me, feel free to give me a call anytime at 604-808-9796. And as always, thank you so much for listening today.